The new 5th generation Apple Watch, which starts at $399, does something no Apple Watch has done before. When you put your wrist down, the screen stays on. This required Apple to find a whole new screen technology called LTPO, but it's a big step forward in usability. Apple says the watch can still maintain 18 hours of battery life, even with the screen on all the time. The Series 5 watch comes with a wide range of bands and bodies. There's a Nike version, an expensive Hermes leather version, and a standard model, which comes in aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, and titanium bodies. There are some new features in the Series 5 too. This app shows the built-in compass, but the compass is more likely to be used by third-party apps such as running and mapping apps. We couldn't test a lot of the watch's safety and fitness features during our hands-on. It monitors your heart rate, makes global emergency calls, and tracks your menstrual cycles. One new feature we did enjoy was the noise sensor. Now you can see how loud a room is and offer up a great reason for leaving one. The always-on screen really provides a strong reason to upgrade your Apple Watch, but we'll have a full review up soon on PCMag.com.